Hey, what's up, guys? Morning, morning. How are you guys? I don't know what is trading 212. I have no idea what is that. Bilal, I have no idea what is 212. It's probably some kind of brokerage. Uh, Not sure what is trading 212. I don't know about that. Oh, it's okay. Some yeah. I have no idea about that, so I guess you can use it. So it looks like a yeah. Looks like you can you can use anything. It doesn't matter literally. Yeah, if it works yeah, looks like you can trade pretty much everything's a lot of yeah. You should be able to use it. You should be able to use. You should be able to use whatever you like. Welcome, welcome, guys. How are you? Morning. Uh, Hope everyone is doing great. And looks like sell-off is kind of done. We still down for Tesla. Again, it did breach the what was that label? Uh, yeah, I think it was 405. So it went up to almost 70, like 80. It did not breach this level. I think less um, 36, 36, 370. That a key area. I think once it breaks, we could literally go to like 30s. Like, look at this. Yeah, 30s area, 330. But it looks like it's holding kind of pretty much everything is going back up. If you look, we had some few good numbers. Nasdaq is still down, but S&P and Dow Jones is up. So we had a nice economy, nice recovery. So unemployment falls to 8.4. So that's a good thing. So hopefully we'll not have that of a bad sell off, and looks like Tesla is kind of recovering. So let's see how it goes. Mm, let's see. All right, guys. There's few people coming in. Would you recommend pulling out market today or holding it for the recovery? Again, right? I mean, if you are expiring this today, probably not much. But if you have some time, then you can, if you have, you can wait it out and see. Yeah. Let's see how's everything done. Yeah, I mean, you should be able to use that because Bilal Khan. I have September 25th Costco. Really need some other base on there. Yeah, I mean, Costco is a good company. I like Costco, but September 25, hopefully. One thing is like I sold a lot of position yesterday. I was like, we are all time high and we have a long weekend, so usually I don't. Mostly, a few position might be open. There's literally like not much call, but I think if you are beginners, like you should literally probably should not play Tesla. Tesla is very risky. You could lose all, but if you want to throw like a couple $100 just to see it, that's fine, but I would not suggest putting a lot of money on that. Gabriel, so for yeah, I mean, try to reach the realistic goal, right? Like for example, Tesla running at 400, maybe 450, 500 is not bad. So 500 would be pretty good if they run up and have a good news. They do run pretty good, so they do need like a little bit of. Uh, I don't see any news on Tesla so far. Let's see if there's anything, but if they could add into S&P or whatever, they could literally run today. So yeah, yeah. Battery day could be good. Tech, yeah. So basically, yesterday all tech pretty much doesn't matter. Like all tech were beaten down pretty much. Um, right now, kind of looks like it's recovering. Let's see how. So we are at 402. So if we go back here, we can bounce back and go to 25. There's some resistance around 30s area, but we could literally bounce back and do pretty well today. Let's see how the market opens. Mm. I think we are still in a channel. Like if you look at this big channel from, oh, that's ugly. Yeah, I don't know why my Mac is kind of acting weird, but yeah, still in the channel, still in the uptrend. Like we probably need to breach like 340 or something, but we should be good today. So let's see. Again, we had a huge rally, so we do need consolidation. So see, we hit all time like 223, then it just went down all to 300. Then we kind of went back up and up and up. So it does happen. That's a healthy pullback. We need that in market. Nothing can go up forever. But let's see. You just kind of decide based on the price action and everything. Hey, puts, I have a video on TikTok, so yeah, check it out. So basically, just buy put, and when the stock goes down, you make money. That's how it is. And yeah, I did the spreads too. So I have a video in TikTok, and you can check it out in the rooms too. How to do puts? Garmin Chewy down. Yeah. So basically, that's why I suggest risk management, right? These days come like a lot of people's are kind of new, and a lot of people's are not really kind of they are putting everything in a because last few weeks we had a really monster rally, right? We had a great rally, so uh, everybody was making money and happy, and you get addicted, right? Like, oh shit, I made like 10K, 20K, and I'm gonna just put everything, and then boom, all your like a month of I see a lot of people kind of lost everything. So that's why I mean, you always don't shoot for the stars, right? Go small, just make it a little bit here and there, a little bit. That's what adds up, right? If you try to gamble, that's a gambling. Like, I mean, you could go casino and hit it out, but okay, I'm gonna show how to do puts, I guess, in a while. Chewy, JP Morgan, September 11 expirations. JP Morgan 105. I'm gonna look into JP Morgan. Let's see. What's the better day for the lotto? Do you think I should buy Tesla now? You can. I mean, you can go in a little bit, not go in full, but what I would do is like go a little bit now if you are bullish, and maybe keep adding, or scale in, scale out. Like you don't go all in. Let's say you wanna buy like you wanna put $1,000. Don't buy $1,000. Get maybe $200 worth today, or maybe see it. So if it goes up, at least you have something, and if it goes down, you can add it and kind of average lower your average cost. Yeah, Riz, that's a great strategy. If you have Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, or 40 days out, that's great actually. Like that's one of the like a good strategy. So okay, credit spread, right? So debit spread you make, so debit spread you pay, credit spread you get money. I do have a video about credit spread, so you can check it out, and uh, yeah, you can check it out. Yeah, Tesla can go like I saw 170s or 60s around. Yeah, scale in out, scale out, right? You don't, so there is nothing new or nothing fancy about what's doing that. Okay, there's nothing new. So basically, let's say, right, so you want to get in, let's say you want to try to buy SPY, right? What is scale in means, right? Still in an uptrend, but you don't know what's going to happen. In fact, nobody knows what's going to happen, right? So let's say it does this, and looks like it's bouncing up, right? When it bouncing up, so what do? You sometimes it just goes down too, because nobody knows what exactly gonna happen. So let's say, for example, right? Let's look at the Tesla, since everybody is talking about Tesla. Tesla is 402. We had a big resistance right here. We really don't know, but you may think like if you are like let's say a month out or something, scale in is basically nothing. Let's say it's depend upon your plan, right? I mean, if you have just one contract, you cannot really scale in and scale out. Like you have to buy and sell it, that's all. But let's say you are planning to, let's say you are planning to buy $1,000 of the Tesla. What do? I mean, what you do is basically, oh, it's pretty down and I think it's not gonna go down, and whatever your indicators and whatever your technical analysis is, based on that, what you do is, let's say it's a pretty down, good price point, but nobody knows, maybe tomorrow it will be more cheaper, more down, right? So what you do is, let's say if you have if you are planning to put $1,000, get it maybe $200 or $400 worth today, right? See tomorrow or day after tomorrow or a few days, is it going up? If it's going up, at least you have some money in the game, right? Whatever you make 50% off for 400, you made 200. That's good, you should be happy. But let's say it goes down day after tomorrow or something, then you add more, right? If your cost was 400, maybe you bought it for 300 now, so your cost is like 350, right? So you average down your cost. Same with the selling too. If you have like 10 contracts, maybe you are up like 20% or 50%, sell half, you almost made your initial investment, and ride some, right? It may go up too, but based on your indicators and all those things, that's all is scaling and scaling out. Okay, so can you show yeah, that's all. So how about leaps in Tesla? You can do leap in Tesla, but it's really expensive though. Leaps are, I mean, if you are doing the straight leaps, just a one call, or for a spread, leaps appreciate really slow, so that's something not so great about leaps. But other than that, leaps are a great way. Battery day lotto play, I mean, battery day, I mean, you can actually do like a August, I mean, let's look into, so I have like Tesla open right here. So it's kind of coming up, looks like tech might do pretty decent today. Let's see how it goes. But one thing, if you notice that, right, if you have today's expiration and you are out of the money, even if it's go up, like you will probably lose it. So that's something you keep. So I think battery day is around 22, so I would suggest like get at least 25 and maybe sell it right around, like, so if you get like September 25, and let's see how's the cost, I don't know, but you can check it out, right? So battery day play maybe, um, yeah, if I were you, you can look into maybe like 500. We did touch 500, but if you buy call this and sell call uh, this 183, so basically you're risking 183 to make five like 1000, so 200, so that's 500 times if it hit it. But yeah, but Tesla is red finally though, I mean green, sorry, no red. That's good. Tesla is kind of coming up, so that's pretty good. So looks like tech gonna be all right today. SPY is also coming up, so pretty much I see green. All right, so that's what okay, so max one, where does it goes from? Okay, fastly, I'm gonna check. It has the head and shoulder, which is bad, but seems like today it's a nice day, it's kind of recovering, which is good. I do have one fastly I sold puts on. Selling puts is one of the great strategy too. If you are not into it, you should definitely get in. But yeah, okay, maybe trading in and alpha. Yeah. So these days, if you are uncertain, you should only do if you are like getting in and out very quick. Freddy Morales, I think I did told you how much you put. Like that's up to you, right? How much you are risking? It's a lottery. It's a lotto. So I would not suggest go what you can not afford to lose. Maybe put like couple $100. I would not suggest putting lot more than, unless if you have a million, you can put 10,000. If you are down 10,000, probably doesn't matter, right? But if your portfolio is 1,000, maybe put 200 max. Yeah, financials. Yeah, Sean. I think financial will probably do good if the jobs numbers are, so basically people are coming back to work, and that's a good for economy, and even airlines. I don't know. I haven't seen the travel number. If travel numbers are good, it could be good, Freddy. You're feeling okay. Uh, okay. Can so okay. I'm gonna look into the Nvidia. Yeah, correct, Eddie, right? Like, so again, like, whoever tells you, even Danny tells you, like, nobody knows exactly what's gonna, it's gonna fail too, nobody knows, right? It's just a hype, and it's probably gonna work out since Tesla moved, that's all. Tesla had a soldier second 2 hour chart. I'm gonna look into that, and I won't put 2000, but don't really understand the play. Okay, Freddy, the play is basically right. They have an event. Battery day event is a good event. So the your thesis is basically around battery days. People's gonna be like Tesla. So think about, right, when iPhone launch or something coming in, and if iPhone has a really good launch, the stock's gonna go up. That's all it is. Same thing. Uh, okay, cool. So I'm gonna look into the Fastly and Nvidia. So Fastly, I am in. Hopefully, it's up. Uh, Not too much, but I don't like it. So if you see, it's making head and shoulder. This is left shoulder, head. There's a big gap up, then kind of finishing up shoulder. Still down. Everything is up. I don't know why it's selling up, but doesn't look that of a great setup. This usually means it's gonna sell up, but nothing is guaranteed. But usually this is kind of bad. So if they don't support, like, around, if they don't get good buyers around 80, we may go literally down a lot, like 70 area. There's a lot of resistance right around though. So yeah, we need a lot of buyers around 80s. If you don't get, we can literally go to 70s. Yeah, 75 70s now. There's a lot of right around there. You can see a lot of wicks, a lot of candle touching in a daily. So it's making like a perfect head and shoulder. Like, it bounced up to 101, then went down, then up to 14, then down big, then it almost tried to catch it, and yeah, doesn't look too good of a Fastly. I do have one. I may close it out. A couple $100 loser probably, but yeah, you don't win all. And somebody said Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia is still selling off. I wouldn't get in any new position at this rate unless you are looking at like day trade, get in, get out really quick. Uh, we did recover from like nice sell-off, so we may kind of come back. Looks like we were, oh wow, so we're almost up to 491, and had a nice recovery. Let's see, but yesterday was a pure downtrend, like down. So let's look at, and the, yeah, let's look at the volume once we open, and we'll see. But doesn't look that of a great though. So what else? Looks like cruise is coming up in pre-market. Yes, I got a burned by NHCL and naked calls even though it was in the day. Yeah, those things you have to get in quick in, quick out. Actually, I told when I was live, Eddie. I think I told exactly, like, I sold it like 10 or 15%, something like that. So I got in, got out, like, cause you don't know a lot of. You have to be really fast. So Albert, right, like, one thing is you gotta know when you enter. So that's why always diversify. Don't get into all the tech at once, right? When you are like tech, because tech sell-off happens together. It's not gonna happen like, again, if there's some particular news about Apple, bad news about Apple or Fastly, it will go down. But if you are heavy in all the tech, it's not a really good risk management. You gotta always diversify into different sectors, and always have some in cash, right? A lot of people don't put a lot of cash. So yeah, true, tech was literally, you see, like, tech was going up 30-40% in a day. I mean, if you look at the zoom, and same with the Fastly also went really fast. Doku, crazy run up, right? I mean, they're a great company, I'm not saying, but it needs to be slow and steady. Like, nothing can kind of, when something goes up, has to come down. Is a put debit spread means you think it's a bearish put debit spread? Yes, put debit spread is basically you are saying like it's stock gonna go down. So if it's go below your both the legs, you will make the max profit, but it has to be at the expiration. Okay. how far out does the expiration date needs to be to scale in, and do you not scale in more if it goes up, if from your initial buying, or do you keep scaling it? Yeah, I mean, you don't keep buying it, right? I mean, you need to have a plan. Like, what's your plan? How much you wanted to invest in the beginning, right? uh, so you have to be fast too if you are not looking into it, because I'll tell you what, right? A lot of people just got in, and yesterday you guys probably saw that, right? Uh, so you guys probably, like, a lot of people burned out yesterday because they were like, oh, market just goes up. A lot of people did not knew like market goes down. They thought like just stock just go up. That's interesting. I mean, if that would be the true, everybody will be rich, right? So it's definitely not impossible, but it's not easy. I mean, look into. So still Nvidia. So I would be really cautious today. Like QQQ, it's kind of coming up from the sell-off for last 83 to 86. I guess we had a right good news too. So some things to think about, like pre-market, like you can do pre-market trading Webull. If you want, I have a link in any of the video. Please use that link. That helps me too. You'll get 2 free stocks too. But one advantage of that is basically you can trade pre-market even if you so you get all the news, like all the stock splits or whatever, or like employment. So there was a good news, like it was selling up pretty bad, and we just got good news around 7:30, I guess, right? You see 7:30 good news, and boom. So that's like 3 points or something. So you could kind of scoop up some of those things. So in Webull you can actually trade from 4 a.m. actually. So that's pretty sweet. I use it. But yeah, if you guys want to sign up, I have a link below. You guys get 2 free stock, I think, and I get 2 free stock too. So I mean, if you don't like me, you don't have to sign up too. You can just use others link. That's fine too. But just saying that though, it's free, so people love free. But I think it's in United States too. I don't think it's in Canada or whatever. Let's look at Facebook. Okay. Oh, what? Facebook is it? What it's showing? I don't think Facebook is 305. That's weird. No, Facebook is not the 305. I don't know. It's so Adobe has a huge sell-off too. So these were like flying rocket, and now they had like a huge sell-off. Yeah, financials are coming back. So financial are coming back. Let's say BA. So I was here yesterday. Okay, that's a pretty nice BA. If it's like go below 165, I think I don't see anything good. But 182, that's a key number. Like 182, it can literally fly, and BA have a new. So look at this, right? In BA, if you are playing for a month out, it could be a good chance actually, right? Let's say you are planning to buy a 10 contract, you can get in like 1 or 2 now, maybe 2 next week, and 2 depending, right? And the thing is, like, I got in like around 72 and 74, and I sold yesterday. It was nice uply in one day. Then why should I hold it? I could buy back, and look at this. I can buy back now, right? It's a lot cheaper. So you gotta be fast in those kind of things. Okay. Yeah, Tesla literally went down, so and it's coming up pretty good. So looks like. Thank you. Yeah, awesome, guys. That's great. I mean, have any swings for this weekend you are thinking of? I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I'll add a little bit depending upon how's the market react. I may add this BA. Again, do not buy or sell, cause I said you need to have your own plan. You need to have your own risk tolerance, right? Not only me. The thing is, nobody knows. Like, I mean, nobody knows. Buffett doesn't know. Like, he sold all the airlines at the wrong time. It went up, right? But again, he's not looking for 2 months. He's looking for 10 years, right? And if you're looking at 10 years, he's always right, and that's why he's rich and we are poor, right? So you need to kind of have your own plan. You should not just pick it up, but you get the idea, right? Maybe, okay, BA news, maybe you did not knew, I told you, or somebody tells you. So you gotta listen, see, but you have to kind of do. Yeah, today seems like, yeah, exactly, deep. I think I'm kind of feeling the same thing. It may be kind of, kind of day. uh, Okay, yeah, BA, I'm kind of looking for their max news. So max, if the max hits, it would be probably pretty good. Yeah, I think that's what I'm waiting for BA. That's what I'm waiting for BA. And just a second, I gotta look into, so market gonna open in any minute, and we'll see if 10-15 minutes a while. 10-15 minutes is good if you had a call, and if you are trying to sell it, you actually can get good price during that, since there's a um, like a volatility. And yeah, so yeah, if you guys have any plays, charts, whatever, we can kind of go over, but I don't think I'll be trading. I may see if it's a good, if you are trying to sell it, you actually can get. Okay. 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 Yeah, doesn't look that of a great, so okay, we are open, but look at that, we open 71 then 70, so you need to see SPY a little bit up, QQQ up too, but yeah, see, Facebook was not 300, it's 288. I had 290 something expiring next week. Glad I sold yesterday. I did not, cause the market looks iffy right now, right? Not really strong. There's a lot of selling pressure. Yeah, still, but nothing is strong. If there's something strong, let me know. I can kind of go over that. But Roku, okay, I'm gonna look into, today volume is going to vary. Yeah, that's true. Today's volume is very probably going to be low, and when the volume is low, then I mean, even you cannot sell at good price, and you need like good volume, good OI, open interest. Okay, Roku, Putan. Okay, Roku, Putan. I'm gonna look into Roku and Putan. Okay, that's true. VXX actually is a good in this situation. So I actually had a VX. I got in like early, but today kind of selling off. Since today is, see, VXS, right? Today is kind of stable, so not really going up. So it's not really down. But VXX, if there's a fear, like when you have a sell off like that, yesterday VXS literally went from 27 to 32. 32 calls were literally like 10 cents, so basically you could have made $10 to $300. That's like 30 times, so 1,000 to 30,000. So those are some good opportunity, like if you timed it, like if you kind of sense those, and a lot of things were like we're almost in like a very oversold territory. So yeah, you can always look into. Yeah, still I don't. Okay, Tesla is a little bit up, that's good. So Tesla is pretty decent, so if you got in yesterday at low, that's pretty good. Okay, yeah, okay, if we breach a 420, maybe then we will get around 40 area. I see 420 area, some resistance right here. Maybe here, right here. Yeah, we do have that area. Yesterday that kind of struggled. So 425, I would say. Once we clear up 420, 24.5, we can go to, there's some, but major like 30, 40. Yeah, nice volume coming into Facebook. Is a lot of people were in Baba. Let's see if Baba is recovering. Okay, that's good. A little bit recovering, not too much, but still early. And somebody asked me some few others. Okay, one good setup I'm looking for that is for this Kellogg. That's good, Dom. I mean, those Kellogg's and those are very less volatile, and those are really good. I think a lot of people are want quick money, so not looking at, but Kellogg. I have Kellogg. Is it K? I guess it's K. Yeah. See, it was 71, 69. It did not even drop that much yesterday, right? That's one of the beauty with those. So I'm gonna look into the Kellogg. A nice uptrend actually. That's good actually. You can make so many ways. You can actually, like, if it's really not volatile, you may actually sell. I What the heck happening? Yeah, we are holding that nice uptrend. Okay, it's slowly going up if you look at the long term. Um, Holding the nice trend line. Yeah, I like Kellogg. This is and these are not really like these are not very volatile. I mean, everybody need their cereal, right? Whether it's a down, up, or recession, everybody loves that cereal or you need. So not going anywhere. So these are value company. I think they probably provide some dividend too. So dividend 3 point. So these are good company if they are really beat up in a like from the COVID. It's a good like they were up 74 in COVID. Even January they were up 70. So almost to the pre-COVID level. But if you see these are always there, right? These are good companies. Looks like there's a good resistance around 70. See, a lot of people's right. A lot of people's. I'll tell you something. A lot of people's are like this support and resistance kind of are whack or all over. But look at that, right? This actually holds so many times. I don't know why my it's not my mouse or something. I'm messing up, but look at that. It respected right here, right here, right here. Again, this is just the area, not exact point, but I can maybe go a little bit up. That would be nicely. But if I go up here, you can see that right here, right here, right here. So a lot of resistance and yeah, a lot of resistance and some support around that area. When you have support and resistance in the same line, that's really strong. So yeah, those are good. Those are good. Okay, Microsoft make a YouTube puts and put. I'll make one. I'll make this weekend. I'm gonna make a puts and puts spread. I did in TikTok, but I'll make a detail and what really means and what are your risk and things like that. And yeah, I'll also make credit too. Credit had some risk, but Philip Morris, yeah, yeah, those not gonna move a lot, but so you're not gonna lose too. But yeah, those are slow. Okay, Zayan and Philip Morris, RCL, Microsoft. So we have a lot of so okay. It's a nice upward channel right from here, and not really any resistance. It seems like it's broke out, and actually we could actually go 86 now. If we do that, maybe we'll go to 91. See, it's always this is big resistance right here. One here, see this area. There's a big resistance going on. Yeah, and if you look at daily, okay, nice upward channel and kind of making ascending triangle too. If you look at yeah, and it kind of broke through, but again, it's not a big mover, but it's kind of passing that. So it's in a good trend actually, and not a bad trend. So Kellogg, okay, Roku Chan. My TikTok is RJ Trades too. It's in the there. So yeah. So Roku and Chan. So I'm gonna look into Roku. Huge sell-off, still selling off. Let's look into. Let's look into 15 minute. Yeah, we are still down. We are down. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think there's some around 60s. There's some support around 60. So if you hold 60, we may, but does not look that of a great in my opinion. It just they went so quick. So lot of the stocks which went really quick are kind of dying off. I'm gonna see BA. Okay, okay. BA was a little bit, so it's fine. 6 month. So still holding, yeah, still holding that trend line. So we didn't even touch it there. and that's we probably don't want to breach that. It's still good, it's still good. Yeah, ultimately if it reaches 82, you can literally long it. I think 82, once we had good volume on 82, it will be really nice bump. And okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, Teton and June. Okay, just a second. I'll be back in a second, guys. Just a second. Okay, this is, let's look at the daily. Yeah, we are still in this channel, so downtrend from here. So basically this rejected this line, and 76, that's a support. Next support I see in 76 in daily. So if you look at the smaller time frame, yeah, we up a little bit from, well, it sold off like it was really 78, then yeah, but that's a big channel though. Maybe some support right here, but we are right around here. Yeah. Okay, till near the end of the year, hope it goes well. Yeah, good luck. Starbucks trendy nicely, thoughts. Starbucks. Okay, Starbucks. Let's look at the Starbucks and silver too. I'm very okay. Let's look into those. See, that's a good like a major support right here, and we are up. Okay, if we bridge this 88, we could, yeah. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, we breezed through that. Breezed through that. Yeah, Starbucks looks good, and I think we are in a pretty decent upward channel. Yeah, is that, yeah, 89 plus would be good. So that's a pre-COVID level, almost 89, 90 level. Yeah. Silver. Yeah, Jason, I mostly use support resistance trend line. Try to make it simple. I think like when you are starting out, make it try to make it as simple as you can, and that's been working fine. I even do this. I really like. So what you do is this candle. It just looks clean and remove a lot of your noise, and you can clearly see, right? Nice upward channel, and you see. So if you are kind of doing, it was right down here, so you could just downward channel, you could just get in right here, and you'll have a lot of bumps and whatever, right? Like if you look at Tesla too in this way, you can literally see that this was one of the good position. Like if you see right here, it breezed through that. When it makes like this is a good consolidate for like a week, 2 weeks or something. And Tesla is a big mover. It tried to kind of break through this and finally broke it, and boom, it literally went from 1000 to 700. This is adjusted price again, and then it went deep dive, right? You could enter here too because of the news too, but literally if you enter right here too, that's when you see the big moves, right? It was just getting the previous high, but again you have to look into that. Like Bank of America doesn't move. What kind of momentum stock? Those momentum stocks, like when you grab those positions right here, right, it just broke through it, like literally from 360 to 5, I mean 4 or 5, so $200 within a within a week, 1 2 3, yeah, almost a week. So those makes a good moves, right? And so basically I use volume. I always make sure with the volume, trend line, support, resistance. And I'll look, this is pretty decent. Like if you get in like so this is right now daily chart, but works pretty much though. This is okay, so I can show you. This is 14-day and 50-day EMA. That's what I use. You can customize. Different people use this. Again, like what works for me does not may not work for you. So people have their own preference, but this is pretty decent. So see, if you got it right here, look at that. Like if you look at the big picture, you are riding, and you can even go to 5 years or something, right? And there's down, there's not much, but if you got in right around, that's like $50. Like we are up hugely. So again, lot of indicators out there, and others I basically sometimes I use, but everything is right now up up up, so not really. But what you can do is hide, right? Yeah, I'm gonna hide this. Other you can do is I use moving average. Okay, moving average. So let's change. This is moving average. 21. Yeah, 20, 21 days, and mostly important are 50 and 150 days. 50, 200, but 50, 150. I would say. If it's going down, maybe go back to 200 too. But other than that, 21 maybe for 50, it's probably not even touching. So these lines, right? Basically your smaller moving average upper than the lower means it's an uptrend, else downtrend, but a lot of time this act as in support and resistance, right? So here it breezed through it, but this see, look at this. 50-day moving average acted perfectly right here. It just supported. So a lot of people enter right here. 50-day is a good way to and get a good price too, because it was moving so fast and it dropped down. Then it kind of went down, right? So 50-day moving average acts as a good. But this is great though. Like look at that, 1 2 3. So almost like 12 15 weeks. Like if you got in at this time, 65 Tesla, man, that was not a long time ago. But these works are great too. You can use in any like daily too. You can use it daily too, same thing, right? So even right here, 129, great opportunity right here. And yeah, a lot of times, see, these are bouncing off this. If you look at this, bouncing right off there, bouncing right off here, bouncing right off here. So a lot of times, maybe see right now too, we are actually about to touch it, looks like 384, and actually in pre-market we bounced right off 384. So see, I told you, right? Market not clear directions, not a great day, and looks like that's what we are getting. It QQQ is down, not a lot of buying happening, right? So yeah, let's see what else. What else? I don't use much web, so yeah. I mean, a lot of other guys use Elliott theory. I haven't used much of that. Maybe I should be using. So not expert in that area. ATVI. Okay, ATVI. Let's look at. When I try to close the deposit Robinhood, it's asking I should debit or credit. What should I do? I have a Aryan. So I have a video on what is debit and credit. In simple, if you are selling, if it's a debit, when you are selling, you should do credit. If you are buying, it should be debit. That's all. But basically, what it means is debit means you are paying, credit means you are receiving. That's all. But let's look into. Somebody says ATVI and JPM. Let's look into the ATVI. So in daily, it's below their what we call, this is 50 days moving average. So what we do now, 20 days, right? So I'm gonna change that 50 day, because it's below 50 day. I'm gonna change this 21 days to 150 and see. Okay, 150 is way down. It's still up, right? A lot of time 150 is a good support, so that's a good time to get in, which is around 70. So you need to kind of play around with it, what works. But yeah, but it's definitely in a downward trend, looks like. So if I draw a, so this looks like a kind of coming downward trend, though. Yeah, it was up, kind of broke through that. Okay, it was kind of up, then it broke through that, then it was in a, again, the smaller up channel right here. uh, I don't know why it's acting weird today, but okay. Jeez, why is, okay. Yeah, it did broke the other one too, and looks like if I extend that, yeah, it did broke that long upward channel. uh I don't know why it's doing that. It never used to do that. Jeez. Okay, it's all over, but I think you can see that you need to drag a little bit down. It looks ugly, but somehow, I don't know, my laptop or something. I'll look into it later, but yeah, I'll just do, yeah. See, the upward channel kind of broke though. So in this case, if it's going down, maybe if it's go down again, you wanna do it like downward channel and downward trend line, not a channel. I speak random things sometimes. So if you do down, and let's say if it's going this, right, you wanna enter when it breaks that trend. So that's how you can enter. But I don't like it for long. Short, you can actually try. Maybe wait for still, but looks like it's there's still selling. So VXX should be up. See, VXS up, like it was almost 30. So that's, yeah. Okay. So SPX and VXS both on the move. Yes, I was saying the same thing. I wanted to make sure. Thank you. You're welcome, Dom. And should we start to scale in Tesla spread October 2nd? Again, it's your call, man. I mean, I don't like it right now, so we don't know really. But if you are a starter, if you are asking that question, I would suggest don't even play Tesla. It can go either way. It can make you money too, but it can make you lose money too. So it just like in the beginning seems like buyers came in, but doesn't looks like there's really buyer. Uh, yeah, if it's going down, you wanna do put debit spread, right? Why would you? Call is basically going up, so you don't wanna do that. Also, guys, if you have not, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please subscribe. That would help me. So if you have not, don't forget to, yeah. I'm at 1200. Let's make it 1500 this weekend. I would appreciate it. Please don't forget that. But the market doesn't look that strong. Kind of sell off continuing. Looks like it, and probably VXS is the play. So Tesla is not good. Apple 15. So puts are really doing good. Bank of America and Apple. Okay. So okay, I'm gonna do Bank of America and Apple, I guess. Yeah, Bank of America is looking strong. I have a lot of leaps, so I don't have a short-term call, but looks so usually it's kind of moving from to financial kind of value stocks from tech. It was all tech, which were really overvalued, but yeah. So what was the other one? Apple. Apple going down. We need some. Yeah. See, look at that. It. So if you draw a trend line right from here, it's just going randomly, some random place. Okay, if I draw it from here, so let's see if this one holds. And here you can actually see probably we are okay. It tried to touch 51 days right before in this crash, and we may literally go to 106 maybe. Wow, Apple is selling 4-5% every day. That's nuts. I do have some 100 puts which expire on January. So I got it like when they were when the Apple was high, but it's a good one, I guess, because they move so high without any reason, right? So still like it's 460 the previous price, which is nuts. Yeah, maybe it's looks like it's trying to break it. Let's see how it holds, and then you draw a downtrend and wait for the reversal. Actually, yeah, the sell-off continues, guys. Sell-off is not done. Spy, we're still in the channel, but look at that okay, so still in the channel, so just need to make sure we respect that channel. It was going way out, but if we are in that channel, that should be good. Yeah, they are trying to support these kind of situations. If you are not so you like dollar is cash is king literally, and a lot of people's right. If Tesla not working, just sell it out. Like if you did not sell it out, then you are more down, right? That's a clearly down, like one, two, three, four. We are in a tech downtrend actually. Like that's I mean, especially it just started. We are almost way in the top. We could go, man. We could go 300, 330. That's where I see like major. There's some at 370, 65, but yeah, if you sold it. I mean, you can always get in back later on, but today is not a, doesn't look like a great day. It just gave you like a little bit of chance, but let's look at the Apple. Okay, silver was up a little bit, but now selling off. Looks like everything is selling off actually. Yeah, selling continues. A lot of people are in RKT. Yeah, boom, they went 35 then. Hmm. Looks like making a left shoulder. Let's see how it goes. And volume kind of dying too. What else you guys are in? What are you guys doing? I see what's happening. Even still, I thought Apple would have had better support fundamentally with new phone release. Again, right? A lot of things like when the market sell off, like everything's like it takes like probably individual doesn't matter that much. Facebook. It's hey Bobby, what's up? What's up? Uh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Okay, Facebook. Yeah, it's like a put market pretty much. Yeah, flag did not work out. We can delete that. So it looked like a flagging, but it's we are clearly in downward. And if you look at if you close or change to 14 days, 21 days, have you touched? Yeah. Maybe I'll wait for 21-day support to see if it does not breach, but sometimes it does breach. Like it was breach, it went down, then kind of went up. Okay, I see some resistance around 78 area. Yeah, 70. Yeah, 77, 78 area. There's some resistance. If not, we are going down. But doesn't looks good though. Pretty much all the tech is going except the XLF, and probably BA is pretty decent. BA, yeah, BA is not bad. It's still holding that uptrend. So yeah, if you do not break like 165, if you do not 165, we should be good. All right. Who else? Who else? Uh, that's taken by surprise since early this morning in August. Well, Kevin, it depends like what you are like. I think if you are in a really hype tech like Doku or even I mean Tesla might bounce back, but if you're in Doku or those things, then you may wanna think so. Yeah. Thanks, Meep. Yeah, I go pretty much every day online for about hour and a half. Yeah, theta is real. Theta will kill, right? Every day. You probably notice, right? Tesla, if you had yesterday and today, like next week, you probably lost 20, 30%. So think about like a lot of people are thinking, oh, I just make 30, 40% in a day. But if doesn't work, you also lose. So it's the same way. What comes goes up, goes down too. And so also the market should recover. Yeah, yeah. Well, if everybody's selling, probably not gonna recover. But yeah, VXS was a good this morning. I mean, I was telling, right, VXS always has against, and VXX is good this morning so far. See, I mean, morning. I think we should look at the volume though. It's exactly like, yeah, it's more than yesterday actually. Oh wow! And if you look at, yeah, today we started almost 30. So VXX is up almost. So it went up in the pre-market hour, but down, but it's up again. Like yeah, VXX is up nicely. I wanna look at the Apple. Oh, Apple. Okay, Apple is going down, then going up. So okay, let's see what Apple does. What Apple does its thing. So it was an October call and a BA call 3 weeks. I think, in my opinion, BA you might be fine. Again, if you got it like 80, then probably I don't know. But if you got in BA around like 70, 72, you might be fine. In my opinion. Again, these are my opinion only. Do not like take it like what I say. Do it, but just decide for yourself. But that's what I think. I just die slowly with. Yeah, RKT literally killed so many people. I had RKT, but I sold it before. Um, yeah, yeah, maybe after Tuesday might be because it's been a while. Like we had two sell off. Usually, when you have two big sell off, usually we recover, but not a great day to kind of hold it. But we'll see. Yeah, let's see INTC. I wanna see INTC though. And okay, INTC is not bad actually. So we do need to break this 52 area, which since everything is not strong, I don't think we're gonna break it. But once we do that, we should make a nice move. Again, long term, it's great. And somebody reminded, I had sold some Intel, and so this is right on time when I made a video about like Intel and all those things. Okay, so Intel. Okay, that's good. So it's kind of running around. Yeah, it's running around 90, 95, and let's see. But so far, not too bad. Yeah, Fastly is not doing that great. Yeah, Fastly was in pure. Yeah, nothing is doing really great today. So I think somebody talked about silver. I'm sorry, I forgot. But look at that, silver crosses 21-day moving average. So 21-day, it breached the 21-day. So we should probably look into 50-day. Okay, 50 days, a little bit far further away. I entered there somewhere, but yeah, silver is also, again, it's kind of flat, but again, a lot of times, like, everything is selling off, so it takes everything out, like, they don't leave anything. But Tesla is bouncing up and down. Yeah, nothing is strong right now, no clear direction. There's, I mean, even put two, probably the premium are so high, so it's like I wouldn't. Okay, so yeah, that's good, Kevin. We think alike. So I think I went over. Yeah. Yeah, people don't hold over weekend though. That's true. Do you recommend holding any puts over the weekend? I would not, literally. There's no clear trend, and after 2 days, I do not suggest that. But it's all your call. VXS show that. So VXS is volatility, right? So it's a weighted average of how much percentage the stock's gonna move up or down within the 12. I mean, within the year, and I think it's an analyze or something. And basically, it's like a fear index, right? So if there's a fear in the market, so everything is tanking. So kind of in a simple word, think about it. It's the opposite of the stock market. When the market goes up, going up, it's just low, and when it's go down, there's just so much fear, right? So um, yeah, it's gonna go up. If you see in the March, April, it just VXS was like 60, 70. Zoom, zoom, zoom. uh, ZM. So let's look at ZM. Clearly in downtrend, it was way up, and seems like it's kind of going to fill that gap. You see, like 326, it could literally come to 326. That's what I see. It's straightly coming down here, here, here. If you had puts, great, man. I mean, that's a big drop within 2 3 days. Kind of volume is dying down, but, well, it's too early, but yeah, puts would be good in my opinion. Yeah, there's some buyer coming in, but definitely clearly in down. Yeah, clearly you see from right here, we are in up till here 428, and once that is started, we are down, down, down. Yeah, clearly in down. So zoom, and let's see what we have. Okay, I was the problem closing a position. I always want to get for the recovery. I have a problem closing out a position. I always want to wait for the recovery. Yeah, the thing is, like, you cannot. A lot of people wait till expiration. If you do that, you will mostly lose, guys. I mean, like, you would probably need to really quick. If you're 20 30%, that's good. FedEx 911 227. FedEx. Let's look at the FedEx. I think those are pretty beaten down too. Everything is whatever went crazy, so it's in a downtrend, but it's still holding today. So you are 27 next week. So see, you see, right? So what happened is, like, it was 28 already, it went a little bit down, but you are down big, right? So theta is real. It just, and the sentiment is negative right now, so not a lot of buyers. So your bid ask is also skewed towards a seller, not buyer. So I mean, buyer, not seller. So yeah, again, it's your call. I mean, whatever you planned it. Yeah, I cut my losses quickly. I don't care. I mean, it may go up to, again, right? Nobody knows. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, it may, you are in the money. So I mean, it's your decision. You need to decide yourself. You can remove after hours. Let me try to do that. So settings. Yeah, extended hour intraday only. Yeah, you have this extended hour intraday only. So this has option. So If you want to include, you add it. If you want to don't include, just remove it. That's all. Make I hope that helps. I'm back where you started. Sell the account. RBA should be live. Did you sell it? I did sell some BA yesterday. Like it ripped up. So I think I was kind of telling right in the like I'm selling, but yeah. SPY broke yesterday lows. That's not good. So let's look at the Apple too. So Apple is kind of struggling in that area. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday's low it did broke. Yeah. Oh man, we are going down. Wow. We literally went down like huge from 56 to 43 and 47. Wow. Yeah. We may literally kind of break this trend line. That would be bad though. Yeah. And Tesla too. Facebook too. Pretty much everything is like really down. And guys, like weekend theta will be massive. So weekend theta will be massive. Wow, VXS is so up. UPS down too. Doesn't look good. Pretty much. Yeah. See, SPY. As we look, SPY literally from. Yeah. We are about to bridge that line though. Looks like it. Yeah, SPY is kind of. Yeah, QQ is. Yeah, everything is kind of selling off crazy. Yeah, it will probably not gonna happen. So let's look at the BA. Oh wow, BA is 166. It's massively down. How is Doku doing? Oh wow, Doku is third. Okay, so those gainer, right? All you see, all the massive, like Doku is like way down now. Look at those, like it just literally ripped through up, then ripped through down. Oh wow, that's a massive. I think we'll continue sell off today. Doesn't look good. VXX calls, yeah. Everything, like I mean, right now it's not a new is probably selling off and probably go to 15s. That's why you don't buy at the high. A lot of people are like, oh, should I buy? It's clearly in downtrend. You don't buy high. Nothing. When yeah, a lot of people are like, I'm in the money, I should hold it, right? That's why you don't hold it. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. That's why your price is. That's why you're not getting the full price. That's why you're not getting the max profit. And everybody wants max profit, right? That's what happens when you wait too long. Yeah, everything is down. It's red day. Down, red day. Don't trade or buy puts. Puts too, I would not suggest during the weekend. Long weekend we might bounce back and your put's gonna be like down 20%, then you'll get scared, you're gonna sell it, and again boom, and next day it just go more down and you'll just say that's how the market does, right? Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'm gonna... Where are you all guys from? Type it down. Nasdaq 20, yeah. Sinks to 2 weeks low. Yeah, exactly. That's what happens, bro, Troy. Like you would see, like it's quick. When it go up slowly, it just leaves everything. Well, if you are looking at the long term, in 5 years, yeah, market will recover. In 2 weeks, no one knows, but doesn't look good, right? Yeah, if yeah, that's what I was looking like. Even Asia was down, China was down, Japan was down, pretty much even Europe was down. That's good. I mean, if you are up nicely, if you had has did, that's good. San Diego, I love San Diego. Hey, morning, guys. If you guys have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I think most people have it, but if not, please do that. Almost 12. Let's make it 1300. Tell your friends to subscribe me. I thought Apple ended at the top. Now I'm red. Should I sell or hold? Again, that's your call, but doesn't look good so far. It looks pretty bad today. Everything is selling off. I think if you guys had puts, you probably printed. I just made video yesterday, right on time for VIX and put. Which is good thing, I guess. Right? So thank you, Michael. That means a lot. Yeah, I will make a video like basically I'm kind of targeting very beginners and everything kind of small because there's a lot of terms people don't know and things like that. So I would definitely make more, and it means a lot. And also, if you have questions or comments and even appreciations, just comment there. That helps to kind of get more. Uh, yeah, yeah. Apple doesn't look good. Broncos. Okay, so where we are with Apple. Oh wow. So Apple is just hovering around that 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15. Um, so yeah. Uh, so Apple is so pretty much everything is beaten down. Let's look at the BA. Okay, BA is holding that 167. I want that to go to maybe yeah. Yeah, if it's 165, it can literally go 50s again, which would be bad. But let's see. XLF, pretty much. VXS is like 34, 32. So see, if you look at the VXS February, see, it could go up to 40 to 49 in a day. Literally, it moved from 51 to 62. That's how it moves. Like it went up to 78, 79, then it kind of settled down, 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 down. It's been doing down. Now it just suddenly boom, kind of spike within. So it was almost to 23. So people have got it 23. The bank literally like that's so much. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, Walmart is down too. You just took the Broncos International. Yeah, go Broncos, huh? I'm a Chief fans though. Back to stocks. Yeah, Apple doesn't have support. Yeah, yeah, I have some puts on Apple, but let's see how that goes. But um, so Walmart. Let's look at the Walmart. Let's look at the Walmart. WMT, WMT. There's some support around 40s. There's a strong support around 33. So 33, there's some strong support. 30s. Other than that, yeah, somewhere yeah 40s. There's some support. So 40, if it drops 40, it will gonna heading to 30, 30s, 30s. So a strong number too. So yeah, I'm even not looking at the smaller frame. It's a bigger frame, and So yeah, lot of things happening here, and yeah. Microsoft is $25 down within 20, like, oh wow. So look at this, it's kind of touching that, and if you look at 50, oh wow, it broke the 50-day. Jesus Christ. Oh wow. Wow, that's fast. Yeah, when it drops it, they drop fast. Oh wow. When all the when the market sells off, everything sells off. Like every sector is selling off pretty much. A lot of things which are in the money are not in the money anymore. So that's why your value is so much fluctuating. Let's see what we have. Apple, okay, 49ers. Can you look at Tesla? Can you explain buy the dips for the long term using support and resistance? How do you pick your price? Can you pick Facebook as an example? Okay, I will tell Facebook and Tesla. Okay, buy the dip. I'm not buying. I think Facebook is a really good company, but it's still really high right now. So I'm not buying. Like I want like maybe 50-day. I may get enter 50-day, but this is not for, this is either for leaps or stocks or not for options, right? Option, you look at the price actions, you don't know. Option is a depreciating. It's, you probably noticed, right? If you bought an option yesterday and you lost half the value. So yeah, so option are very risky and it can go either way. Yeah, look at the spy, right? It was 43, now it's 39. Jeez. So somebody said, okay. Again, a lot of times that could be I mean, falling knife. So I would not average down right now. It just looks bear side right now. So I would not. Look at the strong correction reason for vote of confidence till the a lot of. Yeah. I agree, Troy. So my Tesla is not in the money anymore. Yeah, then basically, see that's what happens. That's why when it's up, you sell it. You don't be greedy and let's wait till till expiration. I'm in Atlanta. All right, cool. A lot of sports talk happening here. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, QQQ breach. Okay. Look at technology. All right, guys, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, because put credit, you don't want to touch, I mean, credit, you don't want to go down. So, yeah. So, put debit would pay. Credit, like it's going down, right? Working against you. Yeah, market was really, really overbought, like overbought territory for a while. Yeah, let's look into. Oh, Apple is down. Huge, huge. Apple is almost Jesus. Okay. Let's okay, bounce going back. Beer flag on what? QQQ double, lot of like literally everything is, but this bounce is like, okay, Apple is kind of fighting that range, 14, 15. I have Apple puts. I sold for 15. I want it to close 15. If it's close 15, I won't lose much, but looks not bad so far. But yeah, doesn't look that great though. It's like, all right. What are you guys doing? Okay, QQQ bouncing. Let's see. I had some puts. Let's see how they're doing. Hey, great. Thanks, Juice. Yeah, it's great you guys here. Apple and VXS. And see, that's why I said like if you wait till the middle and you have a trend reversals and everything. So if you are in a put to, you lose that way too. So you need to kind of see like a clear trend. A lot of times you don't have a clear trend. And let's look at the SPY. Uh, I'm gonna get rid of everything. But looks like that's 50-day EMA went pretty quick. I'm gonna do 15 minutes just to see. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, so it kind of broke, but right here, that's not a really clear break. I want to see right here, but yeah. Oh wow. So if you look at like 1 month. Oh wow. See, I didn't notice, but looks like there was a gap from here in 40 to 39. Oh wow. Huh. It filled that gap today. But look at that, how fast it dropped. Like it took boom and boom. All it took is like 2 days. and it probably gonna, oh, wow. So them some resistance around 35. Not sure. I did see the gap, so I'm not really sure why it's not doing that, but I don't know. Maybe see, you see this gap? There's a big gap right here. I think we gapped up from, yeah, 39 to not much, but 40 something. Let me remove the after hour, I guess. So if I do that too, yeah, there was definitely a gap. See, there's a big gap. We literally 39, and there was, we brushed through that gap and we filled it today. So that was on August 20. So we are almost like August 20 or August 10. So we are almost a month low basically. Wow. And there's more gap around 30, and not big, but 30, 31. But you can see that, right? Yeah, there's some gap right there. A lot of gaps to fill, but we filled that gap. There's some gap right here too. So big gap right there. Yeah, SPI, we may get one more sell off. Let's see. Let's see how's Apple doing. Apple. Okay. It's still struggling in that area, like 114, whatever. So really a put kind of day. If you're in a good puts, you made banks today. Let's see. Apple beyond with one of those couple of gaps. Apple. Yeah, Apple. Yeah, yeah. I definitely see Apple kind of. It's again. It moved too quick, right? So yeah. Oh, I think I was talking about Apple. Sorry. I guess I think I said SPY and I was looking at the Apple, so maybe that's why. But we had one red candle for 30 minutes, then boom. So I mean, let's see. But it's hovering around 14, so but big sell off kind of coming. Yeah, Apple is. Yeah, okay. Apple is 15, so it's kind of bouncing up too. Yeah. Wow. Even if it's 15, look at that. That's huge. I don't think Apple would go that down. So it went 11 and now it's 15. It literally from 22 to 11, 10 points. That's 6, 7. That's a lot of percentage for Apple. Okay, so that's yeah, Apple. Maybe it's bouncing up. I'll be happy if it bounces up like maybe 16 or 17. 16 would be good. Then I can sell puts for like maybe next week or something. All right, guys. What do you guys have? What do you guys have? Think there was often, yeah, literally, that's what I think. I think we may actually like seems like recovery, and we may sell off. Just my opinion, but that's what I'm feeling like. Yeah, Jason got that right. Boom, boom, beer flagging, and there'll be a couple of gaps. Apple, yeah, yeah. VXX call is a kind of good way to hedge your. If you're a lot deep in the call, let's say, right? So if you do kind of VXX puts, maybe not even get so much, then that way you'll have at least some. You don't need to have all, but VXX literally went like, if you look at this week, one like not weekly, but let's look at daily, right? So one, two, three, four, five. So we went from 25 till 33. So 28 puts were probably like 30 cents or something. That's crazy run up though. Same thing happened when we dropped like boom 40. Wow. Look at that in 2 days. Not that massive still, but we are pretty high just day over day. That's crazy. Yeah. I want to see Apple. Okay, that's good. I want Apple 16 maybe. I sold some puts. That's why I just wanna, maybe I'll roll over. Well, I can roll over this way too, I guess. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Wow. I wasn't planning to go live that long, but it seems like I am. But BXS calls so much on my Apple things. Yeah. Pretty. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not, in other social media too. I made a Twitter. I'll probably get involved there too, and yeah, TikTok too, and here too. Watch my videos. I'm gonna make, yeah. Apple is just bouncing back in there. I need to close some positions, so I'll probably roll over. So rollover is basically you're closing this week and going to next week. That's all. Nothing crazy. Okay, I'm up actually, so that's not bad. But I have put they were up to what? They were up to 8. Yeah. Puts are really, so that's good. Can we go there? That would be nice. Yeah. This is crazy day. Chewy is more. Well, if both, somebody asked me like what happens if the put expire in the money. If both the options are in the money, then you'll get like you'll get whatever. If it's just a straight put, you'll make money, whatever its value is. And if it's like more than what do we call? If it's a spread, if both the legs are in the money, you get the max profit. That's all. You don't need to do anything if both are. But usually, I would like to close myself. So I don't know. Ace just sent some Disney magic. It's in a downtrend, down support. Yeah, crazy, crazy. How much does it roll? Oh, it's not a cost, right? Whatever rollover is, you closing this and opening next week. So yeah, whatever the cost is, there's no cost to just roll over, but it's the same thing. Yeah, Alex. What I mean is, it may kind of go up a little bit, then maybe sell up. That's what I was saying, but nobody knows what's gonna happen. But if you look at the SPY, it's kind of selling off though. Yeah, we breached this, but not really a clear. Oh wow! So I had SPY, and it looks like puts maybe good. Oh wow! So when I got in, I'm like 42%. At least something is better than nothing. Let me sell it though. Okay, I sold it. Sold SPY. Something is better than nothing. Man, Fastly is smoked. Fastly is smoked bad, bad. Tech is selling so bad. Tech really sold off. Wow. Man, Fastly literally went from 80s since there's no buyer, now it's like 70s. Fastly sold so much. Oh wow, there's no buyer right around that area. Now it, oh wow, it could literally go 65 now. Oh wow. See, all it took is 3 days. That's how fast it happens. Huh. Jesus Christ! Like every day, 10%. That's a huge, huge sell-off. How's Doku doing? Wow, I'm happy for that though. I have puts. What do you guys are into? What do you guys have? Cool, cool, cool. Okay, I'm gonna show. I'm gonna make a video on rollover. I'm gonna go. So okay, rollover is usually if you are selling, that's what you want. Probably for debit spread and those like, or if you have, you probably don't want to roll over. But if you are selling puts premium, you can roll over. So that's a little bit, little bit. Hey BJ, welcome. Cool, cool. Can you show a put, please? there are a lot of put plays, but right now I would not suggest. It's just all over, right? So I would not really suggest. BSC is doing good. So rollover. So basically, I had Doku puts 195 puts. Is it 190? Oh no, I have 150 Doku puts, which is a leap like expiring in 22. And what I'm doing is like I'm rolling over. So I'm rolling over each week, so that way I make money. Cause Doku is, so I can actually roll over right now. So a lot of have just the role selected, and Doku is 210 95 15. They dropped like 30 today. Jesus Christ. So I want to go 90 maybe. That's not bad. 300 for 90. So rollover is a good way. I usually roll over. Oh wow, net was smoked though. Net really went down. Neo is 17. Neo is down too. Slack, same thing. Gee. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at. Do you know what CDF trading is? I have no idea about what is CDF. I don't know. I don't know what that. Maybe if you tell full form, maybe I'll know. But bought low, sold it high, then bought the dip again. Okay, that's good. That, yeah. VXS was really yeah, VXS was literally like it gave you a chance. And yesterday, if you got, I do have some VXS. I got in like when it was 24, 25. Usually do 2 months out, so they played. Okay, I have a question. Right now, Tesla is, if I buy a call spread of 30 buy and 30 sell expiring October 2nd, it costs 1,000 and max profit is shows 2,000 minus 10. So deep in the money. How good? Yeah, that is correct. But think about it. Tesla is going down. So you have to be, if you go down, you will lose money. So yeah. So logic is same thing, right? So as you, I think you got it correct. So so it cost 1,000 and your max profit is 1,000. So max you can make is 1,000. So basically you are risking 1,000 to make 1,000. And what Tesla needs to be, Tesla has to be above 370 for you to be profitable. If Tesla is 370 by October, that's way out though. September, October. But yeah, if Tesla moves down, but yeah, I think that's not bad actually. Low risk. Yeah. I think you got it. And close debit spread. I think I have a lot of videos in it, but it's pretty straightforward. Like, so just choose your ticker. Like, let's say, I don't know. Do I have any debit spread? I can kind of show you, even if I'm not closing. I think I have some silver, but. So I have SLV 10, 16, 25, 30, right? So I have SLV. So first you gotta go to your ticker. Same platform, like whatever platform, I have a lot of those video, but I'm just gonna stop this kind of stuff. So once you go, you gotta go to trade option. It's pretty straightforward, guys. Like there's nothing to, then you choose your expiration. So in my case, I have a bunch of silver for 10, 16, which is September. October is 10, right? 10, 16, October 16. And I have 25 and 30, I guess. I have 10 actually. So you're buying, right? Either you from homepage, you can just click and close, you can do that. But if you are in a web, you are doing, so you bought it, you have it. So what you are doing, you're selling. Whatever you buy it, you have to sell. That means it's closed, right? So you are selling that. And whatever you sold it, you have to buy back. So just the opposite. If it's negative, that means you sold, now you have to buy back. And okay, total credit here, by doing that you will get credit. So I make like 118 per order. So I don't know what was my cost, but then you continue and send it. That's all. That's all it is. Pretty straightforward. That's how you sell. If you are in the app, just click that you have the silver 2530, just click there, trade, close, and put your price, and that's how you do it. But I like, okay, Doku good. I have Tesla puts too, but it's way, I mean, it's way down, but hopefully if that pays I would be happy. Mm. Okay. Can you show the, okay, why is naked SPA put more expensive than it was earlier? So, okay, so your risk is more, but your reward is also unlimited. That's why naked, it's not naked, it's just naked is different. I think a lot of people are using the wrong terms. It's not called naked. It's just, if you just buy a put or call, right? You can buy put or buy call. That's when you're buyer, it's not naked. Like you could only do naked is basically when you are selling, and and if you do not have an underlying to cover the position, that's called naked. But when you buy just a call or put, it's expensive because your potential profit is unlimited, right? You can, let's say you bought put for 440. If it goes like, it can go to zero, you make every money, but your spread is basically with. I have a video on that, check it out. Okay, is debit spread not good for day trading? Yeah, probably not for day trading. Debit spread moves really slow. I mean, you can, but your profit will be kind of limited. But yeah, it's less risky though. Yeah, you guys are welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have not, do that. But yeah, welcome, Carlo. I guess that makes sense. I have a video on that, Carlo. If you have not, just do check it out. So if you can check it out, and I explained that. What else? What else? What are you guys up to? Is, yeah, I sold SPY puts. I should have bought more. I just had five. Like it was 50% up already. Oh, okay. Wow. I sold at a good time. It was 335. I sold it, and looks like it's up. I didn't even look it. I was nicely up. I didn't even look at chart. It was up nicely. Then so it's kind of coming up. Okay. But yeah, SPY was the move. Like if you got in at 40 kind of bridge, you'd have banked today. Like it went up to 35. That's like $5. Especially like same day, paid a lot. But you just need to be correct for your trend. Keep up. What? What do you want? Anything? You can make. How's Tesla? People are talking about Tesla leap. I'm gonna look at CCL. Okay, Tesla is still down. Glad I sold, but oh, okay, they are up. CCL, huh? See, okay, I wanna see their like 3 months or something. Still, they went up to $13, but not really cheap at that time. But I think they are launching again soon, so it could be nice bounce from the. So let's look at CCL. I'm trying to look at some leaves for CCL. You can see I can actually do here, maybe not even just to show you guys. CCL, I'm kind of trying to look at the leaves, like how I look. This is kind of speculative, not a great company. I mean, it's a good. Oh, I'm gonna look NCL then. NCL, that's or yeah, okay. I like this one better, so it's probably 7. Yeah, okay, same thing. Uh, so went down 17. So Norwegian, I think they have the best balance sheet. But so I'm looking at literally like 21. It's a leap. So if I do like 10, it's $11, which is not bad. If I do 5, 14. So I usually see I want to get a cheaper price, right? So I'm looking at here, it's 14, right? For 14 per piece, that's 100 stock basically. So I can get in 10 too. 10 is $11, so I pay like 21 altogether for basically 21. It's at 17, so that's my. But if I get 5, I pay 14, 5, 19. I like 5, so I may get some of those 5. And if you look at that, there's some open interest. That's not bad. IV is really high, but it's going around 1440. I can buy right now, but 30. So I may let it like 14 maybe. Yeah, I may try to just do some order. If it execute. If not, not. But that looks pretty decent to me. NCLH, but this is not a short term. This is a long term, and again, it's not a down day for them, so not a great day. I guess you can probably like wait for some other day. But yeah, so I'm looking at 5 and 5. Maybe I'll just get 2 or maybe 5 of those and see. Well, they got filled actually at 14. Oh, did I put 1440? What the heck? My bad. I should have put the limit price down, but yeah, it's okay. They should recover. Oh, I had before, so I made some money on those. Doku is best. I sold some puts, and Doku is making me some money. Neo, I want it to go down. I have some 15 puts. Yeah, long term looks good. Oh, I have some. Mm-mm. So, ooh. Yeah, Tesla is like really, really volatile. Yeah, it's up a little bit, but it's okay. I just got two, but I was just kind of checking. How's BA doing? 47, that's good. Leap is basically 1 year plus is leap. A lot of people are still confused with like what is leap or what not, but yeah, that's what it is. Let's look at what else. Okay, so I'll check out. I'll just put one in. I'll put morning. They are up like 90. Okay, awesome, Carlo. I mean, you are doing. What's the best way to use debit display for day trading? I've been doing in the money selling strike $5 over, but it's pretty slow and suggestion. Yeah, debit display will be slow. Like if you are really good, you just buy call and puts. CCL, I'm looking at like 2 years out, like literally, cause like when you have a big news, they bump out. It's not a great percentage, but you can make. Oh no, no, no! I'm not looking at next week. I'm looking at like 2 years, 22. That's what I'm doing. But you can sell it 2 weeks if it bounce back, so you don't need to wait for it. Yeah, those gonna be expensive. Basically, leaps are too good way. If you want to own a like good stock at the cheap price, that's leap. Basically, leap means option is a same as a you holding 100 stock, right? So for CCL, for example, if you buy a stock, it's at 17, so it costs 1700. With the leap, you can buy for let's say 10 1000 or so it's almost like 50% discount, right? And for each dollar move, you'll get a like $100. So that's why you buy leap. Okay, dark pool, right? Dark pool is lot of basically big hedge fund or whatever. They do not open in the open market and they go from different exchanges and inside. So they are majority like they make a they do like billions and billions of trading, right? So you can see those. If you go to your level 2 data, you won't see dark pool. You see dark pool after the market close, and if it's a Friday during a Monday. So dark pool is a big order coming from those places, so big orders. Okay, when I do lip, I always do the deep in the money. I at least, like, I would suggest at least, like, if it's at 17, at least get like maybe 15 minimum, but I try to get it 10 or 15. Why I get it? If I get 5, I get more for my bet. So if you are confused, there's a video on like intrinsic and extrinsic value in my YouTube. Check it out. So basically, I can show you, right? So NHCL. So think about, like, this is leap. So NHCL is 17 right now. So if you get like 20, you're paying $700. But think about it, like, just to get break even, it has to reach $27, right? But whereas the one I choose, right, my break even is 19. So think about, like, there, by expiration, if it's reached 27, you get nothing. Like, basically you lost your 700. Here, even if it goes 20, I make at least like I'm break even at least. Even if it goes 19, I'm break even. So if it goes 20, that's $100. 21, $200. So you make more money that way. But again, here it's cheaper, so you can buy 2 or 3 and make more that way. But basically what you're saying, like, if you're really bullish, like, it's gonna go up quickly, then you can actually get this. But let's say you are not sure about this, you can just hold it. You are not much worried, then deep on the money will be like cheaper in that sense. You pay expensive, right? But you don't pay any extrinsic value. You just pay, like, there's literally no theta. For example, I will say for 15, right, theta is 0.006, whereas let's say you get like something like 62, your theta is kind of same, like some same. But this accelerate, like, as the time passes, the theta will rise. It just 22 is way too far away, that's why it's lower. But basically, if 65, right, if it is 30, you make zero. Again, if it goes 30, 35 tomorrow, it will increase in value and you can sell it. But if you let it expire till expiration, then it's literally zero. So basically, it's more secure. It's a safety, it's your risk tolerance or what do you want. So that's all it is. Yeah, looks like everything reversing. Glad I sold. How is Apple? Oh, I'm happy. Apple, that's good. Now it's probably a good time. Okay, awesome, awesome. Is Tesla is doing that too? Oh wow, Tesla is also kind of coming back up. 98. Okay. Did I show in the wrong time? It's okay. Hmm. Yeah, Tesla, it's kind of chilling in both the way. Let's see how it does. Uh, Everything is down. Nikola is pretty down too. Um, wow, Tesla literally bounced back from. Okay. So Apple has 4 split, right? Yeah. Yeah, we are kind of reversing, looks like. Can we look at the Apple reversal? So we're gonna go 15 minutes. See, that's a nice reversal, you see? I'm gonna delete that trend line. And you could literally draw a trend line right here. See? It went down, 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 and boom, it then clearly. And that's from like 14 till 17, 18. So if you are day trading, that's a great way to, yeah. Apple reversing. But again, there's no like there's still sell off, so I wouldn't hold anything weekend unless it's a very long term and you are not worried about it. Yeah, so uh yeah, so a lot of people's gonna, there's so many things. There's stimulus coming and whatnot. Okay, okay, let's see. Oh wow, I went almost 3 hours. Yeah, that's why Vijay, so that's why like when you get leaps you don't need to worry about it, right? That's why, I mean, that's why you're getting leaps. So basically you cannot time the market, but if you believe in some company, when you get leaps, so let's say tomorrow or day after tomorrow there news, and I think NSCL, CCL, they are opening next week or something. So if they open, they bump up, like even if they go $2, you made 200 of your leap, so which is pretty cool. So if you have 10 leaps, that's 22,000. Again, I said I try deep in the money, but you can do whatever, however you like. But those are kind of expensive though. Yeah, pretty much everything is. Yeah, leap will be expensive, right? Like leap will be expensive. So Yeah, it's the same thing, right? If you just get the call, it's expensive. So for leaps, but leaps are the safety nets. Like I have turned up like Bank of America, I have 10, 20 leaps, and someday they go. I have leaps in BAC. I'm in BA Boeing, and I got around like 140, 150, and they are really in the money. And other things you can do is if you have a leap, you can sell weekly. So think about it, right? So I'll tell you, like one of the easiest way to make money slow and steady, right? Like if you're targeting quick money, probably like literally most people lose money. But so if you have a leap, what you can do is you can, let's say September 11, right? You can sell weekly, which is if you have a leap, you can do sell call if you have a call. So it's 18.19. So if you sell for, let's say 19.5, let's say if you sell for 20, pretty conservative, it's not gonna go there. And if it even goes there, your leap will appreciate in value. But if you sell, you make $37 a week. Again, doesn't seem like a lot, but think about it. If you have a 10, you can make 370 a week. 370 a week is pretty darn good. So 370 a week is pretty much a minimum paying job. So that's like 400. That's 1600 a month with 10 leaps. So if you throw in 10,000, and if you make 2,000 in a month, I mean, I'm down for 100,000. That's 20,000, right? Yeah, yeah. For 100,000, 10 times to 20,000. So there's a lot of strategy to do. So when you have good volatility, you can literally, like if you are conservative, you can even do 21. So 21 is just yeah. I will probably sell 21 call if it executes. Execute. I just remember while telling you guys that is just you sell and choose. Let's say sell this 21. This is your credit. That's it. If the stock goes above that, you are deep in the money, so your leap appreciates. So basically you cannot lose more than that. If it reaches there, either you can buy back that or just close everything. I have a video on that, how to do weekly sell weeklies and leap, but that's a great strategy. I'm doing it right now in NSCL. So NSCL, NCLH. I always miss do that, but so you can even sell daily. So right now it's like 18.8, right? So if you sell right now for today, oh, I'll sell daily. Sell, buy. I'm selling, and I'm selling too. If you sell daily, you make like 50 bucks in a day. I don't think it's gonna go uh, that much. So you could do, there's a lot of things you could do. So if I do September 11, and if I sell call for, let's say what, September 11, right? Yeah, September 11. If I sell for 20, I'm getting 36, so it's 18. So I can do 20. I'll do 21. So you can sell 2. So that gives me like 40 bucks, which is not bad. I'll take it. Something is better than nothing. So yeah, these are the passive income strategy, but it's a great strategy. If it goes up, up. So you can do that too. Oh, no problem, Jose. You are welcome. Again, it's your call, right? Now it's kind of going up, so yeah, depending like how it does, so may not be. Look at the trend, like it's, yeah, looks like trend is kind of coming up. See, a lot of people's, right? People just, if you have time, if you have leap, you don't need to scare with this drop. Like it just backs up, right? But if you don't have a time, then I mean, you need to worry about it. That's why you don't get weeklies. Weeklies kills you. Yeah. Yeah, tech looks like it's gone. All right, guys, thank you very much, and I will hopefully see you on Monday. But if you have any question or comment, let me know. But pretty much that's about it. If you have not, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please do that. I'll make some videos about puts and everything. But till then, see you guys. Have a great one. Everyone, have a great day ahead. And yeah, if you have not, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and everywhere. Uh, yeah, sure.